Are you tired of the same old chicken dinners? Time to zest things up with baked orange cranberry chicken thighs. First, grab some chicken thighs, skin on for that crispy goodness. Season them with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of garlic powder. Now, for the magic. In a bowl, mix together orange juice, zest, honey, soy sauce, and dried cranberries. Pour that zesty mix over the chicken and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Pop those bad boys into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Halfway through, give them a little baste with the sauce. Once they're golden and juicy, they're done. Serve it up with some veggies or rice, and voila, dinner's ready, and it's as easy as pie. Enjoy your tasty, tangy feast. Don't forget to hit that like button and follow for more yummy recipes. Happy cooking!